It doesn't sound like Paige VanZant will be returning to the octagon anytime soon. VanZant has suffered a setback in her recovery after breaking her arm during her last fight in January. In a detailed Instagram post, the 14th ranked women's flyweight contender said, quote, "My bone still is totally broken in my arm and shows no sign of healing or progression. All that we can guess is that I went back to training too quickly and didn't give my arm the proper time to heal without any motion. I will be going in for another more serious surgery next month where they will take bone fragments from my hip to fill the break and put another bigger plate in." VanZant showed a gutsy effort her last time in the octagon. Though she lost to Jessica Rose Clark, she fought most of her 3-round bout with the broken arm.